Well, here we are in the shed. Not a planned visit. Yeah, wasn't supposed to be in here today, but we have something to look at. A little bit of a story. Went to Two Wheel Tuesday yesterday on the Greeves, and yeah, on the way back I did give it the beans, and yeah, it has only done 133 miles. I believe it was engine was rebuilt before I got it, and I had done a little bit of work on it, but nothing to do with cylinders, bores or anything. Yeah, so I was quite happily riding along. Thought I'll open up a little bit. I have been sort of gently opening it up for short sort of periods of time, and then slowing down again. Yeah, so I was happily motoring along. Completely forgot I had it pretty much wide open, and there's a long straight back into the village. There are a few hills on it, 3 hills on it. Yes, we have hills in Norfolk, believe it or not. Yeah, and got to the sort of peak of the final one, and I was then thinking to myself, this engine is running really nicely. Normally seize up just before they run nicely, and next minute, yeah, rear wheel locked. I quickly declutched, and as I was at the top of the hill, I just coasted down to the bottom. I thought, well, I might as well coast back home as far as I can. Yeah, so came to a stop, got it in neutral, let it cool down for a little bit, and yeah, it did fire back up again, and I very gingerly made my way home. So yeah, we have a need to look at the engine today. So it sounds like I've had a soft seizure, because it did turn over again. And it is turning over again at the moment. So yeah, so need to have a quick check at a few things, namely the bore, see if we've got any scoring. I might lift the barrels off if I see any scoring that wasn't there before, although I hadn't really looked that closely at the bore. So yeah, don't know what we're going to find. Yeah, give it a compression test. I think probably the first thing, whip the plug out, give it a compression test, and see what it looks like. Yeah, right, let's get on with it. So there she is on the ramp, or the lift. Yeah, I think while I'm in here I might actually sort that side stand out, because it is too long. Yeah, far too long. Yeah, so that'll be another little job might as well do while we've got it in the shed. So first thing is just whip the plug out. Uh, 100, just under maybe. Let's just give that a few more. Throttle wide open. Yeah, about the same. Not ideal. All right, let's have a little look then. You take the exhaust off first, I think, and we can have a look up the, hopefully, look up the bore and see if there is anything, any scoring that's obvious. Right, I don't know how well the camera is going to pick this up, but it does look like there is some scoring next to the port, the transfer port. Yeah, a little bit on the back, but nothing serious. So it's really hard to see. I don't suppose the camera is picking this up at all. Hard to get light in there and the camera at the same time. Yeah, can't really see a lot. I think I'm going to have to take the barrel off just to check. Yeah, or at least the head, so we can feel it and get a better look at it. Right, head off. There we are. There's a little bit of scoring there, although I can't actually feel anything with my nail. There's quite a lot down there towards the bottom. Yeah, I can just feel a little bit of roughness, or scoring rather. Yeah, especially there. And let's have a look around the other side. I don't know whether you can see it actually better on the mirror there. Yeah, it's not very good close-up stuff, this camera. Yeah, you can see that there. Some more there. There. And there, that's what we could see looking up the exhaust port. But yeah, I mean, they don't feel too bad that side. It's just the ones, well, that one there in particular seems particularly bad. So the question is it bad enough to worry about? Do I take that off and give it a hone? Does it need a rebore? Or should I take it off and also check the rings? Yeah, not sure. I mean, that wouldn't be too bad taking it off. It's not really difficult. It's just with everything else I've got to do I really need it? Let's try and look at this other torch. Oh, there's a little bit there as well, isn't there? At the top. Oh no, it's just a mark. Yes. Don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, please. That's the head. That's not too bad. Although, let's say I haven't done that many miles. And yeah, that's the plug. Which colour of that is about right. So I don't think it's a lubrication problem. I think it was just me being a little bit too over enthusiastic before this is properly run in. At least that's what I'm thinking anyway. Any thoughts?